You just found the 2022 Ford F-150. Enjoy a new level of ease and confidence whether at work or play when you're in this F-150. Available features let you customize its hard-working bed, and a unique combination of military-grade aluminum alloy and high-strength steel give you the edge with class-leading towing and payload capabilities. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, alarm, steering wheel audio controls, electronic stability control, intermittent wipers, traction control, passenger vanity mirror, tire pressure monitoring system, adjustable steering wheel, trip computer. Feel the satisfaction that comes from reaching a higher level of productivity in this F-150. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our friendly staff will give you an outstanding customer experience.